Good shit, Chris. Two.
Tight G.
What color am I gonna make them? They gonna be green.
Start the clock. Oh shit. Two. Yeah, you might as well put that phone there. Damon.
Oh, Mr. Take Your Girl.
It's Mr. Take Your Girl. Oh shit, Skato.
Who's the other button?
Don't throw that stupid shit.
Real stupid pass.
He look like he really does this shit. What's his name, Data? I just got the motherfucker. Somebody hit the middle. Nick, you stay middle.
Come on, chemistry, man.
Good block, B. That's all they missing.
They ain't got no chemistry, man.
Okay, Damon. Damn, Chase got hurt.
Don't keep playing.
They clown. They just clown.
They getting bad over there?
Nah, they just
Get
clown.
my bill.
The next hard shot with somebody.
They always need an ass whooping. Hey, you know they going to New York next month?
Oh, with their mama.
Yeah.
Get back to me.
How long?
For like until January.
Till January. What's next month?
September. I don't want them to go. I don't want them to go. I cried thinking about it.
You cried?
They just thinking about it got me sad, nigga.
Damn.
My baby, man.
I'm good.
That's all I
Oh, you
know.
got.
You feel me? That's all I got.
That's why you do what you do.
Travel.
Damn, Dex.
Dante.
That ain't with the girl. Oh!
You should have called the
You should have called the first one. Call the first one.
What you gonna do, J-Mo? What? Alright.
I think he hit the first. Get in there, Nate. Get in there, Nate.
My girlfriend that, man.
Calvin, where you come from?
My game was just gonna start.
There you go.
Calvin.
That's
Follow him
funny.
out, Calvin.
They said, why you found Calvin?
Hey, he kissed the ball first. Watch how he shoot it.
Man, hey, somebody could have scratched their nuts and stuff.
Calvin kissed the ball first. Look how he do it. What? Calvin, you getting free throws? Okay. Good shot, Skates. Bang, bang. Okay, Jay.
That's a two. That's a two.
Good pass, Skato. I was supposed to be really talking crazy, but I'm going to congratulate you because we play together tomorrow. Wait, don't get Bo! Bo! Give him some man head.
You okay?
Damon, go get that. Rebound, Skato.
I was just messing with the game. Started at 5, but it's like behind.
Give them that bucket.
Hello?
AT. No, ain't no battery.
Hello?
15. 15, count. Ain't no battery? That's it?
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Hey, T.
Hold on, we still cool for a second. I'm just.
I think it's right over there.
It's flash. Good shot, boy, knock it down. Oh shit, we should have shot that a long time ago. Okay, big. That Lord. Okay, B West, 2 rebounds.
Oh. Ah!
Bolo! Oh shit.
Hey, shot it. Was that bucket?
Nah, hell nah. He airball. You fried. What's up, Lauren?
Smell
Hey,
good.
T, come.
I bet you taste good too.
You not. Hey, we on camera, cuz. What? Let's go. You ain't got to pass him.
This thing is good.
Let's
I
go.
wasn't pass to a nigga, so.
I feel you.
Fuck
It's
that.
it's just in you.
Get your Nick Walden on. Hey, this
Get your
nigga was
Nick.
cloudy yesterday, man.
Nick,
Yeah, Nick. Yeah.
down there. Good pass, Skates.
Crossed him up.
On Jay. 33.
I don't know.
Brandon. What? Okay, Jay. Look how he running.
Jay, okay, Jay.
Neat.
Now, nigga, you be gunning too, nigga.
Who did?
Too what?
Too fast.
Huh?
Too fast.
Alright. One more. They didn't score though.
Nah.
I ain't gotta put team fouls till.
Nah, to the second half.
Yeah. What are you talking about then?
Let me see what you made of, Cal.
Oh, you're right. You got it right.
Yeah, the score right. Good catch, Bo.
Indeed. We go real fast to the right.
Tank, boy. Tank.
Put him on the left.
Horse and left.
What's up, son? Dex got that. That's Dex. Dex told you. Little nigga. You can't do that. Oh no, it's Godzilla. Okay, Calvin. Calvin with the re. When it's playoffs, motherfuckers show up.
Hey, Calvin got skinny ankles and big calf muscles.
What's up?
You.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Woo! Got a bad bitch. Got a bad yellow bitch.
Yes, man.
Got a bad yellow bitch. What's up, George?
Are you sad? He tired. He tired. He said he tired. He win.
I'm not tired. Everybody don't play.
I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I played the whole half.
I'm not coming out the game.
I'm not going there.
I'm not coming out. Who you want me now?
Who, me? Fuck that. Okay, Day.
I think that's it.
Good job. I'll be you fucking stupid. Oh! Order in the court.
Damn, my
Hey, motherfucker.
Will be. Hey, he's chunky, man.
Yeah, my nigga been eating good, man.
Eating all his potatoes and green beans.
Okay, B.
He's been beans.
That motherfucker had a gather himself. He was. Huh? What y'all laughing at, man?
Oh, shit. I saw some Notre Dame shorts, Bryce.
Hey.
Oh, shit, Notre
They
Dame.
had some.
Saw some Notre Dame shorts. Oh, shit.
White.
White. They got him right for they out Greenwood.
Okay, Damon. Let's see something, Mr. Take Your Girl.
Ooh.
It's Mr. Take Your Girl.
This nigga cooking.
No! Damon done rolled on his neck. He was like, pat, hit it, pat. I'm gonna start going next game.
He's ready to dreads.
I'm gonna have to go next game. I'm gonna have to go next game.
I gotta kill this one. Got to kill. Hit the first one?
Hey, get him off the board!
He got one in there.
Hey,
One more.
Sub next dead ball.
You only get one sub per half. A new rule, team made it up.
Yeah, right.
I'm bullshit. I'm playing. 3 seconds. Get out the paint, Neek. Dominique, you gotta get out that paint.
Went to Walmart, got that hand man right home.
Got that motherfucker.
Oh, I need that. The NBA thing.
Bo, let me open that afterwards. Okay, Calvin got a job. Dominique, give it to a guard. Hope and B.
Everybody twice.
Hope and B. That was stupid. He done twisted this thing. Sup? Take that. Good day there. Bobby got a towel on. Okay, Bolo.
Hey, sup, man. Sup.
Stop hitting that thing.
Who, me?
I told you stop hitting the table. And one. 24. That's how you gotta hit the button. Uh-oh, he got that look in his eye. He got that look in his eye. Uh-oh, captain versus captain. Okay, J-Mo. Oh, Calvin! Okay, right hand on wood. Right hand on wood. Right hand on wood. Right hand on wood. 3. Calvin, you cool?
Your wrist alright?
I am a blood.
He broke his wrist from catching himself.
He said,
He broke his wrist.
he said, oh.
Work the damn wrist.
I look like that Derrick Rose on Tyreek Evans.
Work the damn wrist.
Oh shit.
Big body.
Okay.
Big body.
I'm in that big body. I'ma need 2 lanes. Okay, Dominique. That's your nickname.
I said, that's what they did to me, man.
Yeah, 5 seconds. Pull up, cuz. That's your shot. He look. Hey, hold up. T. Okay, J-Mo.
Sorry.
Dominique. Good shot, boy.
Oh, fucking, I ain't expecting it to come. Fuck that nigga. Fuck that nigga, Jack. Get loose, Bobby.
Just kill him. You ain't taking another game.
You just want to play, man.
Kill him.
I just want to play.
Kill him. You want to take another game.
Boy, you came. Oh shit! God damn, you see how he jumped? Big ass shoe. Good pass, boy! Them motherfuckers, he got some big ass feet. What? That nigga, what's his name? Kevin Carter.
Who's that with them puffy shoes on? Who's that with them puffy shoes on? That NBA headband. Got some puffy shoes.
Okay. Good DB West.
Tiger's looking strong out here.
Played the whole second half last week and his shoe was like this. Bottom of his shoe.
Who?
Yeah, that's why he's one of them.
Oh, Bo.
Oh, yeah.
Bo
Take his
weird.
ass to Dick.
Westbrook. That's that Westbrook pull up.
Take
Good
his
shot,
ass
boy.
to Dick to get some kicks.
The whole body was just like this. No Pac-Man.
I got them. What,
He said his shoes was talking like Pac-Man.
it was like. What was that, T? He got that. Stop burning with your mouth.
Yeah.
Good shot of Westbrook. Pull up on him. Oh shit. That you can't be that fucking. Good work, Skate. Good shot, Skates. I'll give you the shot. You made that. I tied that knot.
Man, you stupid, man.
I can't guard my nigga Damon. Mr. Take Your Game. He feeling it. He feeling it. Westbrook.
He like you fuck with Chief Keef now.
Good pass, J-Mo. What the fuck?
Man, they brought their A game today.
Uh-oh. Playoffs. You know I had to put the playoffs on. You know I had to put the playoffs on.
That's his first miss, ain't it?
Probably a second. He just done count all the rest of them.
They just want to kill.
Knock it down, J-Mo. J-Mo, what you say you was gonna do? Five. I got that five.
Hey. Whoa.
Bolo! Ah! Oh, good body control, boy. in next. Y'all can only sub one per quarter. One per half. One sub per half, man. Y'all done did it like 3 times. Motherfucker's confused.
What?
You in? Yeah, you got the bucket. Look at it, worry about his points.
Like,
you got it? He said, did it count? Did it count? Damn, Jay got subbed out twice in one half. Fuck that. I ain't going no fucking way. That counted too, cuz.
That counted.
We got you. We taking care of you.
We got you.
What'd he say? I heard something about some meat. Whoa. Mister, take your girl. Let me see some B. Uh-oh, Calvin. Calvin. Oh! Calvin, put the spotlight on Calvin. Put the spotlight on Calvin and make it hot. Calvin got a job.
Hey, Brandon said Calvin got a job.
Put the spot on Calvin and make it hot. Put the spot and make it hot. Calvin the fool. He done hit a motherfucker. Oh, okay.
Could you tell us what that means? We're a little too light to get.
Put the spotlight on Calvin to make it hot. I mean, Calvin got Calvin over. Calvin. Bolo! Bolo!
Hold on. Was that a 3 by Bo?
That was a 3 by Steve.
No, he didn't too.
Yeah, he just got the other rebound.
Woo.
Oh, that was a foul.
I don't know what that was.
That was a motherfucking foul. Time out, time out. Okay, Jay.
I ain't tripping. I got sub. I don't want to hear it. I got sub. Come on, Nick. I got helpers. I got helpers. Still got helpers.
That was a good foul. Oh shit, Jay. Watch out, Hoopin' B.
Watch out, Hoopin' B.
Hoopin' B, you in the way.
He trying to dribble.
Knock it down, Nick.
Pass it back out.
Bo. Knock it down, B West.
Give me one.
Out.
Hey.
Out.
It hit the black.
Ooh, the referee.
Moving tone.
Good call, score table.
The score table can call stuff. We refs too.
We can.
Let's get a clap for the score. Hoopin' B.
Instant replay.
Quit shooting that, man.
Bo. What he on?
Okay, Jay.
He done did an in and out.
2 of them.
Hoopin' B.
Get back.
Oh. Is Mr. Take your Oh shit, Jay ain't playing. Okay, Day. They got their bucket. Marcus playing soccer and shit. You putting it on the right side?
Oh shit. Sorry.
You been doing that the whole time?
Nah, it's alright. It's alright. It's just a one mistake.
Knock it down. Westbrook.
Oh, snap. Westbrook.
He said, huh?
Where the hell man? Get the board.
Playoffs?
Alright.
Hoopin' B. He traveled like
Travel?
a motherfucker.
Hoopin' B.
Hoopin' B.
Stop shooting that teardrop. He done missed like 20 teardrops.
That don't matter. Keep making it cry. Knock it down, Westbrook. And one. Skates, let's keep playing through it. Uh-oh, that's a skate. He don't put his skates on. Woo!
Johnny Kilroy. Playoff foul.
Playoff foul.
Playoff foul.
Ain't shit easy. Huh? Yeah.
That's a hard game. Hey, somebody throw me my jersey, man.
You feeling naked without it?
Yeah.
Throw me a jersey, man, so I can match.
Yeah, we might have to throw him a jersey too.
I need one.
Mike.
Give me one. I'll put that bucket up. I'll put it up. Nah, I put one on and he didn't know.
He didn't know. He over there trying to take up their points.
I put one on, I started to tell you. Good shit, Day Day.
Hey, let's get a stop. Let's get a stop. We're walking back.
Oh, shit. Knock it down, Bo. Good D, Skato. Oh. $23.
Oh shit.
Huh? I think they got out. Okay. It's 1-1.
1-1. Give him that bucket.
Third straight year. Yeah, 3. You're out of memory? They're on the second part already.
Baby.
Next, that's the
Can you
wrong
hand it to
side.
me?
They both 32.
Okay, Skato. Same team, y'all.
Thank you, baby.
They're running behind by an hour.
Yeah.
They started late.
What happened? What? On the hoop. Basketball. Okay, Skato. Okay, Skato.
Hey, dude.
Little big.
What y'all?
What? Stop clapping me, dude. Okay, Jay, good steal. Knock it down, Hoopin' B. That's terrible.
What is that? He said, where? Wrong team, huh?
Your runners are missing Barlow.
That ain't why they love.
We got sub.
We got a sub.
That was after the first shot. Oh, that's good.
Give them they foul too.
Oh, yeah. It's on Skate still?
Yeah. How many fouls Dominic got? B. How many fouls do we got? Dominic.
He's got 3.
You got 3. Get that? Was that a foul? Was that a foul? Nah.
Can you have a foul on both?
Okay, B. Yeah, I just gonna have to play through the contact and everything because the wrestling colors nothing. Oh, number 1. Shut up, knock it down, Johnny. Hey man, watch my Kobe's, man. You kicking it, man.
Oh, how many fouls on you?
25.
Did I take out that free throw? Did you take out that free throw? Did it go in?
I don't know. He shot his skates?
Yeah.
More than likely he did. Think he put it
Did I
out?
count it?
I think he did. I think. We got this. Stop looking at the score table before we get up. Huh? Yeah, he didn't give him a 55. Hey, he had.
That's right.
Huh? Don't make us come up, get up off this table, faggot. Shit, I was fucking up. So I just had to kill him with the faggot.
Faggot.
Fag. What are you, a fag? What are you, a fag? Go up, Day Day. And stare at him there. Hey, Calvin. Good fucking rebound. Good rebound, Skates. And 1. Okay, Euro. Oh, shit, he spent on his ass. Come on, keep playing D. Stop crying. Foul. Foul on Station. You can't take it out.
What?
You can't take that foul.
I can't take it away after you do it?
Ain't no button to it. You took a big point away though.
Which one?
60.
60? You can't take it away.
No, you can't.
I just did.
Oh. But you took a point off. Yeah, you took a point off. One more, skate up. There you go. You gotta remember, you got it on different sides.
Yeah, I'm switching hands each possession. Now, man.
Give me that. Oh shit. Okay, Skates, don't do him like that. You already done made Calvin fall. You already done. And one!
So you already made Calvin fall.
You made Calvin fall and you cold. Why I gotta tell?
Who's Calvin?
Who's Calvin? Calvin got a job.
Everybody know I got a job.
Hey, Calvin just got paid today. Let's rob that
Let's
motherfucker.
rob that dick.
Hey, Calvin, it's a thin line between fries and shakes, motherfucker. I gotta stop smoking that shit. Ooh. Okay, Damon, it's Mr. Take Your Girl.
Look at it, look at it. Look at it. That's what they do.
Oh. Okay, no, KG. Motherfucker still blocking the shot after the play.
What's that? Foul?
Foul. Cross Casey.
Do you listen to me?
Do you? Do you listen? I like this little dude. Oh, me act like that. Do you listen? Tell him again. What's your name? What's your name? Who? Bishop.
Bishop Don Juan.
Bishop.
Wow.
Yak yak. Yak yak.
Who's that?
Oh shit.
Better put that bitch in that other
I thought he had.
Marcus, what you bumping? What's up, Laurent?
He bumping Spice Girl.
Mark's over there crunk. What you listening to? He don't even know the words. He don't even know the words, he just moving his mouth.
We'll get it.
What?
He chewing his gum, that's it.
63?
Yeah, he made it.
Man, y'all giving it a 2-second window to press a button.
Chill out, bro. I told y'all chill out before we get out there. All you gotta do is yell at him one good time. Watch out, Dominique. Clear out, Dominique. Watch out, Day-Day. Bo, pull the chair. Hey, Skates, why you listen to me and shit? Tony, clear out. Hey, Bo, pull the chair. Pull the chair. Let him sit on you, then you pull it. No homo.
I think so.
Give him where the bucket.
Where the bucket at?
We got 66.
Take time.
Okay, Damon. Ain't no continuation, is it? Hey, Chris. Okay, they taking it down.
What?
Yeah, ain't no continuation.
69. That's 67, ain't it? 69. I took away 2 points.
Did you add 2 points when Skate scored?
He said it, but it wasn't.
You took it away?
Yeah.
Start the clock. The red is Station them winning. Rice Bears. Red is right. They guess. Yeah, they win. Foul. Oh, never mind. No, it wasn't.
So he beat the Chinese guy? That Chinese guy just looked good.
Yeah, he looked good yesterday. I didn't know if you're DVRing it.
That's what I don't care because there's no way you cannot find out. I am DVRing it.
Oh, they showed a lot of it
I still like to watch it.
Damn, he fell.
I don't like how NBC.
Hey, that's 1-1. And then foul anyway.
Foul, Brandon.
1-1. I know. I'm just saying, you ain't 1-1. I'm telling y'all. Hey, y'all stop yelling at me, man, before I get up. I got my son right here, man. Trying to set a good example. Stop yelling at me. I'm letting y'all know. Man, let me say him down, man. Sit down. Go sit right there. Next person that yell at me, Paul, I'm getting put out the league.
That's what you get for trying to help.
Yeah, and I'm trying to help them out. They cussing me out. One and one. Under two. Under two. Yeah, at two. Like right now.
And they got 30 seconds to shoot.
Was it on the floor, T? On the floor or up?
1 and 1.
No, I'm saying it depends if he get his two, if he missed.
You don't have Courtney done?
Oh shit.
Courtney's on
1 and 1. Shoot your free throws.
I keep forgetting.
1 and 1, Jay. Y'all cussed me out when I was trying to tell y'all. What Brandon?
Seems like they're missing birds.
They missing so much.
That's 7.
Oh, that ball here dude. Look, you're older man.
Oh, that's right. Pryor, Neil Pryor. What's it, Moody? No, Pryor.
Lane violation.
That is a violation.
He hit the free throw. Y'all want that? What if he missed the next one? He can only go one way.
That ball. Here.
You call it? Keep. Ah! And I got it on camera. It don't count though.
Bring the ball.
It didn't count. That should. He blew it. Calvin. He got to cross over the other way. Way to be there, Skates. Calvin, you already failed one time. Watch your back. Good way to call that out.
What's that? That's the birds were who I mentally prepared. Oh, that's...
Let's go, Skates! Let's go, Skates! Just take the three.
That big guy, but they,
Y'all crying too much, Skates. Y'all crying a little too much.
yeah,
I know I'm crying.
You gotta hoop through it. That's the only way you're gonna get what you want.
personal, but it doesn't count as it counts as zero.
Good shot, Day-Day. Yeah. Don't do it, Ooh,
that big guy.
Damn, boy. Good rebound, boy.
Oh!
Oh, did the rim block it? Pull up, Westbrook. Pull up. What the fuck? Damon, jump out. Okay, Jay. Off the backboard. The fuck is y'all on? He ain't out yet. Good catch. Good block, Jay. Knock it down, Westbrook. Yak. They should have been giving you the ball the whole time. I got it.
It counts. It counts.
I got it.